Ever wondered how your brain communicates? It's not through emails or text messages, but through a complex system of neurotransmitters. Imagine your brain as a bustling city, with neurons acting as cars, zipping around, delivering messages from one place to another. These messages are neurotransmitters, the secret language of your brain. These neurotransmitters are the unsung heroes of your mental and bodily functions. They're like the city's mail carriers, police officers, firefighters and more, all rolled into one. They regulate your mood, keep you alert, help you learn, and even control muscle movement. But they're not all the same. Just like in a city, you have different types of cars, each designed for a specific task. Similarly, your brain has different types of neurotransmitters, each with its own functions. So next time you're marveling at the complexity of a busy city, remember, there's a similar bustling activity happening right inside your head. Just like a city, the brain has different types of cars, or in this case neurotransmitters, each with its own functions. Now that you know how the brain communicates, meet the key players in this communication process, the neurotransmitters. Imagine them as unique characters, each with their own important role to play. Let's start with serotonin. Think of serotonin as a comforting nightlight. It helps regulate your mood, emotional well-being, and sleep, making you feel secure and content. When the nightlight flickers or goes out, things can get a little scary, leading to feelings of depression and anxiety. Next up, dopamine. Picture dopamine as your personal cheerleader, always there to boost your motivation, reward, and pleasure. It also helps with motor function. But if your cheerleader is absent or overly enthusiastic, conditions like Parkinson's disease and addiction could occur. Moving on to norepinephrine. This neurotransmitter is like your body's security alarm, heightening your attention, alertness, and arousal. It triggers your fight or flight response during stressful situations. However, a faulty alarm can result in anxiety. Acetylcholine, on the other hand, is like a skilled conductor, coordinating muscle contraction and motor function. It's also involved in orchestrating your memory and learning. But when the conductor loses his baton, disruptions can lead to Alzheimer's disease. Now, meet GABA, the peacekeeper. As the primary inhibitory neurotransmitter, GABA helps reduce neuronal excitability, maintaining tranquility in your brain. Low levels of this peacekeeper can result in anxiety, seizures, and other neurological disorders. Glutamate, the main excitatory neurotransmitter, is like a passionate teacher, involved in learning and memory. But too much enthusiasm can be neurotoxic, leading to conditions like Alzheimer's disease. Endorphins are your body's natural superheroes, acting as painkillers and mood elevators, especially during exercise or stress. Histamine, the vigilant guard, regulates arousal and attention but can also trigger allergic responses. Oxytocin, the love hormone, is like a warm hug, promoting social bonding, sexual reproduction, and childbirth. Cannabinoids, meanwhile, regulate appetite, pain sensation, mood, and memory. Each of these neurotransmitters can have complex effects depending on its receptor, location, and context. These neurotransmitters, working in harmony, make up the symphony of our brain's communication. But when they're out of tune, it can lead to various mental and physical health issues. So take care of your brain, it's the only one you've got.